Hello there, my name is Josh and I'm from LT Devlogs. Today I'm going to be doing a very short tutorial on how to make your character move with A and D. So just side to side basically, very simple. So first we're going to want to go into our actual assets and you're going to want to import the character that you want to use. In this case I've got my rogue. And then once you've done so, just drag it into the player level where you can shrink him around or size him as you will. And then you're going to want to come down to the actual components and you're going to type in Box Collider 2D, not the actual one, the 2D one. So we're going to open this up bigger where you're going to get the option of editing the collider. You're going to click into that one and you're going to want to shape it up a bit, just a bit above foot level, because you will be able to adding a ground check in the future. That will be for a future video. So once you've got it around roughly sized like so, you'll be able to just leave that one for the second. Then you're going to come down to assets and you're going to go to create and C# script. Now you can name this script whatever you'd like, but for this instance I'm just going to simply name it movement. If you don't actually have the viable program such as Visual Studio, you will need to download one, or you could use another one. There is plenty of options out there. There'll be another video based on that if you look on my channel. So we're going to come down to avoid update here, and then we're going to type in vector3 movements, and then we're going to do equals new vector3 again, and we're going to do inputs dot get axis. So we're getting a new axis basically, and we're saying that it wants to be horizontal. And then if you come out of the actual brackets into the second one, you're going to put a comma, and then you're going to do 0f, comma 0f, and then come out of the bracket again, and just close that one off. After you've done so, you're going to want to drop down a line and type in transform.position plus equals movement times times time, and then you're going to want to do a delta time times by the actual move speed. So once you've got this one locked down, you will see that it comes up with an error, and that's because you need to come under the public class movement, which is your script name basically. So just come to this line here, press enter once, and you're going to want to type in private. So we're going to do a private float this time instead of a public one, and we're going to do move speed equals the factor of what you want it basically. So for this instance I'm just going to do, let's say 6f, and then we're going to close that one off again. So this is completely adjustable, however you would like it, to basically change the movement speed of the character itself. This essentially is the whole code that makes it. So we're saying we want to get the access from the input, so whether you press A or D, it will know whether you're going horizontally, so side to side basically, and we're saying the position which you start from, and it's transforming the position into the movement times of how many times you press it and the speed of which you go. So if we save that one and come back to Unity, you'll notice once you start the game and run it, oh wait, silly me, I just realised the mistake I made. Sorry, first you're going to want to come to your player entity. For this instance I'm just going to name it player. You can also tag it as player, that will be there if you just drop down into the tags. We're going to go to add component and then type in the name of your script to add the component to the actual character. Starting this one, you'll now see your character can move side to side. So that will be it for this very short tutorial. I plan to do a lot more short tutorials like this, where it's very just down to the core, and you can learn the very basics without having to worry about going through a massive video just to learn the one part you want to know. So I've split it up like so, just so you can go straight to where you need. Thank you for watching. This has been Josh. I hope you found this at least slightly helpful, and good luck with your game making in the future.